Ka General Meeting jong ka Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association MEPA kabalalong hak Henry Trick nailur hasulong klam klayo ban jied ikinongkit kam bathamai jong ka nakabenta ka samay tri kam balai snam ka jingalang kala jied biang ya uba Monak Shabong kum u President kum ju ya uba John W Thabah kum u General Secretary ki Vice President ki kentop ya u Dr Kamal ki Junjunwala Rajiv Chaudhary, Marcus M. Thayang, Rafael Wardry, but Russell Nongrum, Katba ki Joint Secretary ki Kentop ya uba John Lingdo, but Purba Shad Bhattacharjee. Uba Kermen Yuria, ula Jied biang kum u Organizing Secretary, but kakong Deme Banda Bla kum ka Treasurer. Nalor kini la jied ru ya nyongot ki Executive Member ki Bakentop ya uba Justice Marwen, EM Jose, Aporlet Shabong, Starfing pada kasit, Daymaya Siang Shai, Sunday Sumer, Dominic Savio Dingdo, bat ubak ban kier lapang. Ha kani ka jingalang layak keren ru halor ki babuan ki mat, ki bayar daya bekinong penyat, jong kilap patai kubor, kumju kinong tok kubor ke jela. Ha kani ka jingalang lawan yang simbentaru da ka Menteri Katanat Public Relations, ke Dr. M. Prindingdo nalor Commissioner and Secretary IPR, Vijay Kumar Mantri, but u Director of Information and Public Relations ubak bat lang soklia.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.